Mr. R wanted us to learn Hannah
Crisalyn.
from the third period chemistry class, and we both learned from an A level the following concepts of chapter 15 through 18 in our chemistry book. This is not an exclusive list, but the selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. In chapter 15, I learned from water and aqueous systems is how a suspension differs from a solution because the component particles of a suspension are much more larger and do not stay suspended indefinitely.
Okay, I learned that solvent is a dissolving medium and a solute is a dissolved particles. A solvent dissolves the solute and the solute becomes dispersed in solvent.
Then in chapter 16, solutions, I learned how to calculate the morality of a solution by dividing the moles of a solute by the volume of the solution in liters.
And I wrote the same thing, so
And then in chapter 17, what I gained from thermochemistry is the calometer. The heat is released by a system that equals the heat absorbed by its surroundings. Conversely, the heat is absorbed by a system that equals the heat released by its surroundings as well.
I learned that heat always flows from a warmer object to a cooler object.
In chapter 18, reaction rates and equilibrium, I learned that the rate of a chemical reaction is usually expressed as the change in the amount of a reactant per unit time.
I learned that the three stresses that upset the equilibrium of a chemical system includes changes in the concentration of reactants or products, changes in temperature, and changes in pressure.
That's what we learned in our 5th grading period. Yay!